Here I'm going to show you how to set your string capacity on your inverter. At the bottom, you have Home, Device, Services and Me. Select Me. On the next page you will see Message Center, Plant Management, About and Settings. Select Plant Management. Here you select the relevant plant. On this, the first page you will see is your basic info. Down below you will see your options of basic info, set electricity prices, add devices, set string capacity. Select set string capacity. On this page you'll see a pencil in the top right to edit. Select the pencil. Then select all. Click set string capacity. On this hole there is 4 kilowatts east and 4 kilowatts west. So you enter 4000 watts, PV2 4000 watts. Click OK. Your string capacity is now set. Thank you.